All right, so what's up, people? Real quick, I'm gonna do a little unboxing. It looks like the sky is about to fall out, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it installed today. But I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this thing so you guys can see it. So give me 1 second. I do not have a tripod, so it's probably the worst unboxing y'all have ever seen. But all right. Let's see. Oh, I think it's upside down. All right. Yeah, it's upside down. All right. Okay. All right. So it's got the warning. First thing you see is basically saying, well, from what I'm getting from this, the safest bet is to disconnect the battery if you can't wait 20 minutes, which most of us, if you're a car fanatic or vehicle fanatic or whatever, gearhead, you're not going to want to wait 20 minutes to put it into sleep mode. So disconnect the battery. So take the negative terminal off, and yeah. And well, hold on. Yeah, do not open doors, open the hood, unlock vehicle, or start the vehicle while one of the sensors is disconnected. This could cause a check engine light. However, I do have a scan tool, so it's not that big of a deal for me. Okay, so it's the AEG Diesel Solutions Farm Smart Efficient. Farm Efficient Truck Edition. That's funny. So they're advertising two different gains here. So this, if you see, says up to 90 horsepower gain, save up to 3 miles per gallon. The front of the book says up to 45 horsepower gain and 1 to 3 miles per gallon fuel savings. Either way, honestly, I'd say that's a win if it does this. Like I said, I'm gonna do what I can to see. I'm gonna try to find a dyno, just somebody that can do a quick dyno on it at a stock setting, and then the max setting on this to see actually what it does if I can. However, it's kind of hard to judge that, I guess. Well, no, it wouldn't be. That's why you got a dyno. Well, anyway, I'm gonna stop talking, or I'll put my foot in my mouth in this video. But anyways, yeah, instruction booklet. So, all that good stuff. I still may try to put it in, because I'm hard-headed. Looks pretty straightforward. I do want to find out a way to route the wires in a way that I can put the switch in here in a neat way without having to drill through the dash. So that's one thing I'm gonna figure out, because I have seen videos where people left the turn dial under the hood, which I feel like that's just asking for trouble. But that's just my opinion. The module, I understand the module is going to have to be under the hood, which from what I can tell, the hood under the hood does not actually get that hot. And what I've noticed so far, which it hasn't been blistering hot outside either, so it's probably why, but I have noticed there's a lot of heat shielding and heat wrap under the hood. So yeah, it does really well. I mean, however GM did it, they did a really good job. Let's see. Yeah, so okay, it's got the different platforms: agriculture, construction, truck edition, medium heavy duty. And we have the truck edition light duty, which even here says up to 90 horsepower increase. Does not flash truck ECM. Of course, the 1 to 3 mile per hour and fuel savings, field tested and dyno proven. Plug and play installation, lifetime warranty. Okay, well, it says dyno proven, but I need to see it myself. You know how most people are. If you didn't see it, it didn't happen. So, yeah. Yeah, that's it as far as that goes. So, here's the module, or the actual module itself. Pretty basic. It has a serial number on it. I'm assuming since it doesn't flash the factory ECM, like I've seen most tuners, or a lot of tuners do when they flash, they're married to the truck. I've mentioned that before. So, yeah, not much in the box. These are connectors. Okay. And here's the turn knob. Now, I'm going to go ahead and tell you, my gripe already is about to be, okay, you got this turn knob here, but you're not, it clearly doesn't have, what number you're on, which I guess if you're, just use your brain. If it's all the way to the left, it's probably on setting 1, and so forth and so forth. You count the clicks, I assume. However, it would be nice to have some sort of indicator, somewhere to mount remotely, or in just a little small spot, so that you can see, exactly what setting it's on. And that is going to be my segue to the Scorcher tuner. I think it's the AF&E Scorcher tuner, which does have the LEDs on it. It does have the LEDs, and they also sell that as a bundle where you can buy the AFE Scorcher Cold Air Intake with the tuner, which I almost bought. But I really like how the S&B Cold Air Intake looks, and I just like the aesthetics more. It looks more quality. The other one looked more cheapy and more like a stock air box, and it had a little small window at the top, but also its gains weren't as much as this, as far as the CFM rating and whatnot. I think it was like rated at I can't even remember, 30% more, I think, CFM versus 55 that S&B claims. So 55% more versus the 33 or 35%, I think. But yeah, so this is it. I'm gonna do some tinkering. I'll do a video on it. Like I said before, I don't know if you guys have watched all my videos, I will do a giveaway on this thing once the Banks Derringer one comes out. So I'm gonna figure out how to do some type of giveaway, or some way to pick some little catchphrase or something in one of my videos that I'll point out, and some kind of little riddle hint thing. I don't know. I'll figure out a way to do it, but I will do a giveaway on this thing once that thing releases. I don't know when it's going to come out. However, I do take care of my stuff, and I obviously won't give it away if there's something wrong with it, which I don't see happening, but I will make sure that it's going to be in working condition, and I'll have all original packing and whatnot. So yeah, I know some people are like, why is he giving away a used module? Well, it's a giveaway, so I mean, you're not paying $400 for it or whatever. $389 or $400 like I paid. So it's a giveaway. You got a chance to win it, and you don't have to pay for anything. Granted, you're not getting a nice gauge that Banks offers, but you know, it's it's a giveaway. So um with that said, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead. I am gonna use it, so it will be used, but we'll visit that in the future when that time comes. All right, people. Until next time, when I come back on here, we'll record so you guys can see what the thing's all about, and I'll do some testing and all that jazz. So, all right, I'm out.